Okay, number 3 here is another exponential equation. You just have to solve for x. And it looks similar to number 1. However, 24 is not a power of 2. So this is where we're going to use logarithms. I'm going to show you the other technique, which is the technique you're going to have to use for most of the problems in both section 5.5 and 5.6. But it's basically, it's a 4, sometimes it's 3 or 4 or 5 steps. It really depends on the problem. The first step is to make sure that this exponential term is isolated. This is a very simple one. So 2 to the x is the exponential term. Then we're going to take the logarithm of both sides. We're going to take the log of both sides, is how I would say it. We're going to take the log of both sides. When you think of the logarithm, you think of logarithm as just an operation. Think of it as adding something to both sides of an equation, or subtracting or dividing. So it's just a mathematical operation. Then once you do that, you can use the power rule. And so the x is going to drop down front. We get x log of 2 equals log of 24. And the other thing you need to accept is that log of 2 is just a number. Log of 24 is just a number. Just like if it was a 2 or just like if it was a 24. So to finish this one, we're just going to divide by log 2. And you just need to make sure you can type it in properly. Your calculator, most of them are going to put parentheses around that. You got to make sure you close the parenthesis. You don't type in log of 12. That is not the correct answer. Okay, log 24 divided by log 2 is going to give us the final answer here. So I'm going to close the parenthesis and make sure I type it in properly. So I got 4.58 5 basically.